morning, everyone. I just wanted to share with you my morning ritual. It really helps me throughout my day, that I start my day being grounded and bringing in the spiritual energy from the universe and to integrate it. So this is what I do. It's a 1, 2, 3, so everybody doesn't have to panic about a long thing that you have to go through. And it's something you can do every morning because it doesn't take you much time. So anyway, I start my day with breathing when I'm sitting in my bed. And then I do the Om sound. And the reason why I do the Om sound is because it's tuning up your body. You're saying to your body, wake up, because that's how the body resonates to what's going on through sound. So it loves the Om sound because that's the general frequency of the universe. So here we go. And then I sit with that for a moment. Take another few breaths. Okay, so now what I do is I pick up my book that I usually keep by the side of my bed. I also sometimes keep a stone. I hold a stone with me because I like stones and they have good energy. I don't go page by page, 1, 2, 3. I randomly open the book to a page that works for me. And it always gives me what I seem to need to hear. So this is what I opened to this morning. It's busyness, something we all get into. One of the reasons we don't feel great is because we often feel time is against us and not with us. The pressure to do rather than to be is very great. The aim of life is to work hard in order to produce more and consume more. Time is squeezed by our stress. We push and shove to achieve anything and everything quickly without peace. We do not make the time to reflect and see our true intention and purpose. If our main value is greed and fear propels us to achieve, then time feels squeezed. We have no time to stand and stare, and we forget to stop and be quiet. How true. So there's an antidote to this, and here's the paragraph on that. It says, take seconds of quiet time during the day. Really important. Master your thoughts and see clearly the reasons why you do things. Examining your own motives in this way will enable you to choose a better course of action or change direction if your motives are not right or appropriate to the situation. When you are no longer simply dragged by the hair of need, desire, or greed, you will begin to feel great. You will start to master yourself and your life. Okay, so then I add some sound into my day for grounding into Mother Earth and the spiritual energy coming down through the universe into yourself. I'm going to start with the earth tuning fork, and I'm going to use it on my feet because it's for grounding, and I feel like that's where it needs to happen. So here we go. Always point your tuning fork out, not in. shift feet. You don't have to pick a certain point on your foot. Use your intuition and feel where you need it the most. Again, ask for your day to be grounded and clear. Then I use my Chakra Chime. This is for the root, and I play this all around my body. It's important also to put it around your ears, just not too close, so that your whole body gets the frequency. And then just feel when you're ready to stop. If you feel it's complete, then just go on to the next thing. Then I use my Tibetan bowl to integrate these sounds that I'm bringing into my body. Now you can move this up and down, but I like to put my whole head in it like I'm doing. And then I use the crown chakra chime. So I'm bringing in the spiritual energy above down into my body to the earth. And then I use an oil if you choose, you don't have to. This is an oil for the root chakra. I sell all these things, or you can find them other places, but if you wanted to do this, I do have this. And you put it on your wrist. And it's nice to smell it, brings in that plant kingdom. And that is really it. And I've sprayed the energy around me. And we're ready to start our day. So Om Shanti, may you go in peace. Thank you.